Alright, y'all, so look, I'm on this new journey of being vegan. So I made a vegan Reese's Cheesecake. Let's get into it. First of all, wash your hands, dog. Wash your hands. So I got my Oreos, I mashed them up like that. It's gonna be my crust. I put that in the blender, added 2 teaspoons of butter, set that in the oven 350 for 5 minutes. Let that sit to the side. This gonna be my filling: 1 lemon, some butter, almond milk, maple syrup, natural peanut butter. Got my soaked cashews, blend all that up together. Now we're gonna come over here to our semi-sweet chocolate chips. Added my almond milk that I had in the microwave 30 seconds, mix that up just like that. Add that to our filling, chopped up our dark Reese's cups, sat that in the freezer for 3 hours, and it came out looking like this. Oh wait, kale.